you know those girls you see on holiday or at the beach? They're so effortlessly cool and put together. They've got interesting clothes, eye-catching accessories. If you're on a mission like me to become one of those girls this summer, here are some fun clothing and accessories we can crochet together. I also made sure that all of these pieces have free tutorials. If you're a beginner or a girl on a budget, these will be perfect for you. I've got my summer Pinterest board over here, and I've noticed that the accessory that makes the biggest difference is bags. A bag with a fun net or mesh texture can elevate your outfit from boring to something a little bit more interesting. I found a bunch of different tutorials for you. I really love these shoulder and tote bags. They're also really quick to work up, so I definitely recommend making one for your summer wardrobe. I also have a beach bag tutorial on my channel, so if you like the look of that, you can definitely check it out. In that same video, I've also got my favorite summer bag of all time. It's this really gorgeous granny square tote bag, and it can fit all your essentials, so it's the perfect size. If you make it in a fun, bright color palette, it will just scream summer. Here's also a bunch of other granny square bag ideas that I found. You can mix and match different granny squares, you can play around with the color palette, and you can change how many number of granny squares you do and basically get a bag of any shape you want. This is definitely a must-have because nothing says crochet like granny squares. Another thing that I kept seeing on my Pinterest board is mesh tops, specifically as beach cover-ups. But even if you don't go to the beach, these tops are perfect for layering. So if you got a boring, plain, simple outfit, you can elevate it by throwing on a mesh or net cover-up. So you can layer with them and use them to make your outfit more interesting through texture and colors. I've got a whole list of these, so please bear with me. There's the classic heart mesh top, the flower mesh top, colorful tops. There's a whole lot of these on YouTube, so you can pick and you can mix and match them. There's a cropped shrug, this delicate lace cardigan, which is one of my favorite designs ever. There's a bell sleeve top if you want a more vintage boho vibe. It's kind of giving Daisy Jones in the 6. If you want something more cuter, this square neck top is perfect. And there's also a tie front top if you're looking for a different kind of silhouette. I made one of my own about 2 years ago, and it's in this horrible shade that I would never wear today, but the texture is really pretty, so I'm hoping to recreate that soon. I get a lot of comments for people asking me to make tops that are a little bit more modest, and I totally get that. A lot of crochet tops are very revealing. They've got holes in them, especially mesh and net tops like the ones that I showed you. But my advice to you, and what I highly recommend that you do, is get some staple pieces that you can layer these crochet or mesh tops with. So if you lean towards dressing a bit more modestly, I'm here to tell you that you can definitely crochet these tops and be able to wear them in a cute way. I'm not the best example of modesty over here, but I don't like things that are too revealing. So again, something with a lot of holes in it that I'd have to wear with a bra or something that shows my stomach. So that's why I've got a lot of tube tops and a lot of tank tops from My Outfit Online. Again, not sponsored. They have great quality pieces that come in a bunch of different colors. So you can mix and match those pieces. You can even get a full sleeve top, and you can wear your crochet mesh tops on top to make it a little bit more interesting. So yeah, try to look for a staple piece that you can throw a shrug or cover up or mesh top on. Before I go into more clothing and accessories, here's a word from today's sponsor. If you're a cool girl with a small business or someone who's looking to create your dream website without any coding experience, this will be perfect for you. Universe is a drag and drop app where you can easily pick a personalized .com domain and hyper customize your site to match your creative vision. You can start with a blank canvas, get some help from their AI assistant Gus, which is a super cool feature that I recommend trying out, or you can pick from one of the many templates, including mine. You can then customize and make any type of site you want with Universe, from a simple link list to a full online shop, blog, or portfolio. I've been remaking my own Universe site, and I love the creative freedom I have with the drag and drop format. It's so easy to move things about and personalize to my liking. There are so many different customizations I can make. I can change the text, I can change the color, I can add shapes, I can add doodles. And apart from all that, the best part is that you can edit on your phone, iPad, or computer. I love using the app on my phone because I'm always doing some on-the-go editing, like changing one link from one YouTube video to another. But I'm also the kind of person who loves working on a much larger screen like my laptop, so I love that you can also edit on a computer as well. If you're in the US, the Universe Sell Block will enable you to start selling your creations and start making money in minutes. You can also use the Download Block to sell digital items. Although the sell and download blocks are US only, the PayPal block can be used by everyone to accept payments. Universe is free, but you can make the jump to Pro to remove Universe branding, get a custom.com domain, unlock custom menu styles, and get the ability to add discount codes. With Universe Pro, you also get a lower flat 5% transaction fee and quicker payouts. You can use the first link in my YouTube description to get 25% off your first year of Universe Pro, or use the second link to try Universe for free. Now, hairstyles can make or break your outfit, so here are a bunch of hair accessories that you can crochet to elevate a simple ponytail, a bun, or just when your hair's down and you want something a little bit more interesting to spice it up. I made this plumeria hair clip last year and I honestly felt like such a cool summery girl. You can make a bunch of these and wear them in a lot of different ways. You can use them to make a half up, half down. You can just put it on the side of your hair for something cute. I wish I had it with me right now so I could show you, but it's in my little suitcase of crochet things. But I've got a bunch of videos on my Instagram that show how I style it. You can also just clip it onto a bag as a bag charm or keychain. So if you make a mesh or net bag and you think that it's a bit too plain, you can make a plumeria hair clip and you can clip it on. And then in the same video, I've also got a Jerf Avenue inspired headband. So once again, you can play around with the color palette and make a bunch of different headbands to match your outfit. I've got another list. There's a cute star headband, a tulip headband, and of course a lot of cute bandanas and hair scarf that are so boho vintage. And this idea might not be for everyone, but you can also crochet flower wines and you can braid them into your hair. I think it would look really cute with beachy waves or lightly curled hair. Going back to clothing, crochet skirts are also really cute. I love the look of this mini skirt. There's this flower skirt that matches the flower mesh top from earlier, so you can make it like a cute matching set. You could also make this flower mesh skirt longer, so you'd have a long maxi skirt. I saw a bunch of these on Pinterest and they're so pretty. There's also an easier midi and basic skirt pattern by this creator whom I love because their explanations are really detailed and easy for beginners. If you're looking for something with a more interesting texture, this creator has a video with 3 really interesting textured patterns. There's also this easy maxi skirt that you can make more summery with another color palette. Now I know that a lot of these skirts have holes in them and so they might not be for everyone. So if you're wanting to dress a bit more modestly, once again you can layer them with a bunch of different pieces. Like I've got this plain maxi dress from Mattel Rocks and it's perfect for layering. So I was thinking of crocheting that flower mesh skirt but a maxi version of it so I can wear it on top of this dress because the dress is a bit plain, so if I want to make it interesting through texture, having a crochet piece to layer it with will definitely make my outfit much cooler. This lovely creator also has a wonderful video on a bunch of different crochet bottoms that would be perfect for summer. Now going back to bags, you can also make a bunch of different ocean themed or summer themed bag charms or keychains to turn your simple plain bag into something more summery, something more cool girl, something more interesting. Here's another list. I found a starfish, flowers, shells, jellyfish, and they're all just so cute for changing up the look of your bag. You can make them as keychains so you can clip them on and off, or you could also just glue them onto a clip so you can slide the clip through. So if you make them as a keychain, you can only use them as a keychain, but if you glue them onto a clip, you can also use them as accessories for your hair. I've also got the perfect 3-in-1 pattern for making a plain bag that you can elevate with these bag charms and keychains. So in my video, I show you a really easy customizable pattern that you can use to make a crossbody messenger bag. You can make a shoulder bag with different colors or just a cute little shoulder bag. The best part is that they only take 1 skein of yarn and less than 4 hours to make if you make them the same size as mine, so it's also the perfect project for your day out at the beach or your holiday. Now I'm going to end this video with a few more quick and easy crochet accessories that you can play around with. There's a flower choker, a bead crochet necklace, which I think is so unique and beautiful, and I definitely recommend giving it a try. There's this rose choker, and I've seen people playing around with it and wearing it in different ways. They wear it as a necklace, they wear it as a belt, put it on their top to elevate it and change the look of it. So there's definitely a lot you can do by making just one piece. Also, hear me out. This belt might not look summery or cool, but it has potential. If you make it in a different color palette and you pair it with a cute pair of jeans, I think it's gonna look so cute. And that's it, everyone. I hope you found an idea that you loved. Please let me know which was your favorite part and if I should do more videos like this. I've got lots of more crochet themed summer tutorials coming soon, so definitely turn on post notifications so that you don't miss them. You can also connect with me on Instagram and TikTok to keep up with what I'm making. And I'll see you next time. Bye everyone, happy crocheting, and I hope you all have a wonderful summer ahead.